say AP. Happy and you know it say AP.
Step right up. Come on, come on. Montebello, tutti frutti. AP, 1 in a billion. I'm over here in the kitchen doing my thing for my family. You know what I mean? It's time. Make the boys some food, some spaghetti and meatballs. But I'm missing the game. Or maybe not. I am watching the game right now. Right from my TV. Well, it's the TV. Woo, look at that shot. I'm watching the game from my refrigerator. So, what can I say, guys? This is my life. And, you know, you do these kind of things because you need to be able to catch up, stay up to date on what's going on out there. So, you know, your refrigerator, it puts the game on for you, and you watch the game, and then you say, hey, fridge, what's inside here? Probably just a bunch of stuff my wife likes. Is that my wife? Yeah. She's not dressed. The life of, you know, running your own businesses, you just in lingerie all day. Don't even get dressed. But guys, let me get back to what I'm doing over here in the kitchen. I don't want to burn nothing. You know, I just wanted to show you guys that, okay? We have our TV on our refrigerator right now. Yes, it's going down like that. AP, 1 in a billion, and I'm out. I just cooked some delish for my boys. It's time to eat. Hey, Jay! Hey, Josie! Hey, Josie! Come on, come eat! He's already got a plate in his hand.
I got a popsicle plate, my favorite plate. That smells good. My first one.
Oh, yeah.
I want some more bread because I ate the bread. I ate the bread. Can I have some more?
Yeah, come on.
I ate all.
Dinner is served, sir. Excuse me.
What? That's a stop.
Dinner, sir.
No, get a
Sir
one.
Josiah?
I already have one.
Let him choose what he chose. You're going to change somebody's vision. He's great. Pick the one you want. You great.
This one?
Which one did you want? Get it.
This one.
So get it.
Ah!
Y'all great. Don't make anybody settle just because you got eyes on something. Go for the best.
It's hot.
Step right up. Come on, come on.
Hot.
Okay. Time to go to the dinner table and eat. But your homework is on the dinner table. So we got to clean that up. Dinner of Champions. Champ number 1. Champ number 2. And champ number 3. Let's eat.
What about me?
Happy and you know it say AP.